today basically saying goodbye to my phone and everything that's happened here because I basically don't play it anymore. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using all my honey to buy royal jellies. All my honey. Okay, we're never going to get it back again. We're just seeing what we get, honestly. Alright, I'm sorry guys. Alright, I have 69,000. Guys, sorry, I have 69,000. Jeez. Alright, yeah. All my honey gone. 4,500 jellies. I'm turning on. I have this on until mythic, until legendary. Hopefully we get a mythic. I'm gonna be doing this for a while. We just got past our 300 mark, 500 mark. We just used 500 royal jellies. Already used 1,000 royal jellies. I haven't gotten a single mythic. Now screw this. Don't care. Since on. Nothing. No freaking mythics, guys. No mythics. I spent all my honey for 4,500 jellies. No mythics. And of course, I'm not getting that back. I'm not getting 4 billion, 5 billion honey back. You guys, of course. But my RNG is just garbage, bro. I swear, my RNG is trash. You know, I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got like 7 mythics from royal jellies. Now I can't get a single one. My RNG is trash now. I swear, bro. My RNG is the most trash in Beast Wars, except for my friend. Bro, my friend got a Supreme Sprout. I've never gotten a Supreme Sprout. I need better RNG. On it. Give me better RNG now. I swear.